Hi, Will Vitella, home technology expert. Here you can see another one of my projects. This is a family room surround sound system. Now this family gave me a call after the interior designer designed it, after the cabinet maker built the cabinets, and not ahead of time. And then so it was up to me to be creative. And then so in this particular project, I customized the setup where I installed everything behind the television set, everything from the Apple TV to the DirecTV box to the eero Pro Wi-Fi mesh router, creating a Sonos 5.1 system with hidden equipment behind the television set. Because the cabinet maker and the interior designer designed it with drawers that are completely enclosed underneath. So I can't put the equipment on the bottom because then everything would overheat. You know, if you want to get it done right, go to hometechnologyexpert.com and click on schedule an appointment.